When you need to find someone to install a garage door opener, Tucson counts on AJ's Garage Door Service for fast, friendly, affordable service. There are a lot of companies you can call in Tucson, but they're not all the same. When you want your garage door opener installed sooner than later, at a time that works for you, call AJ's. When you want to be sure you're getting equipment that stands the test of time the way LiftMaster brand garage door openers do, call AJ's. LiftMaster is the only brand that meets our high standards. When you want a choice of price points for your new garage door opener, call AJ's. We only use LiftMaster, but we offer a variety of models to suit your needs and budget. When you want to know exactly what you'll pay for your new garage door opener, parts, labor, everything, call AJ's. Don't get stuck with surprise add-on fees like disposal costs or fuel surcharges. You count on your garage door opener to get you and your vehicle in and out of your garage every day. Count on AJ's when you need a new one installed.